satisfied naman ako. But siguro yung isang downside lang na na-experience ko while taking it is it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to my channel. Today is episode 3 of our Gluta and Collagen review because this is our third review na. If you haven't watched our first two, I'm gonna link it down below. Today, I am going to review effective pero very affordable na Gluta and Collagen products. So these ones are from Oswell. This is Oswell Collagen Max and Oswell Gluta Max. Ito, 60 tablets siya. And ito naman, 90 tablets. So, yes, tablets sila, hindi sila capsule. So, mas madali silang i-ingest. And itong Collagen Max, wala siyang flavor. Pero wala rin siyang bahid ng lansa. Kasi diba yung ibang collagen na supplements, medyo, lalo na from fish talaga yung mga collagen na tinitake natin, diba? Medyo malansa sila. And this one naman, wala talaga siyang any hint ng lansa. And ito namang si Gluta Max, ang flavor nito is lychee. Tapos, chewable pa yung tablets niya. So, very dali siyang i-take and para kang hindi umiinom ng gamot. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng tablets kung gaano lang sila kaliit. Oswell reached out to me via email for me to try out their products. But, guys, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be biased about my judgment sa products na to cause kung napanood nyo na nga yung first two ko na vlogs, alam nyo naman na always honest yung mga reviews ko. And I'm going to tell you lang kung ano talaga yung na-experience ko with these two sa loob ng isang buwan. Inubos ko na tong si Gluta Max. So, wala na siyang laman. 60 tablets siya, pero 2 tablets a day yung tinitake ko. So, naubos ko na siya in 1 month. Pero of course, if you're on a tighter budget, pwede mo siyang patagalin hanggang 2 months. Ito namang si Collagen Max, again, may 90 tablets siya. Meron pang natitira, of course, kasi kahit 2 tablets a day yung tinitake ko nito, meron pang natitirang 30 tablets. So, good pa to for another 2 weeks. First, kilalanin muna natin yung brand. Siyempre, hindi pa siya ganun katunog sa market, di ba? Not like yung mga ibang collagen products na pinag-uusapan talaga. Si Oswell, guys, kaya pumayag naman ako na i-try out siya kasi it is made in Taiwan, but yung pinaka-active ingredient niya, which is the fish collagen or the marine peptide, galing siya sa France. Ito yung madalas kong nakukuha na question sa comment section sa mga reviews ko ng Gluta and Collagen. FDA approved ba yan? The answer is yes, guys. It's FDA approved, so it's very safe to take it. But of course, I do not recommend it to pregnant women and sa lactating moms as well. Also, you have to be an adult before you take it. So, kids 18 and under do not take these. So, bakit nga ba ako nagtitake ng glutathione and ng collagen? Of course, aside from it being pampa-fresh and anti-aging, which I really need because I just turned 31 this month, I really need these products to at least slow down aging, diba? Well, I can't really stop it, but at least I can slow it down. Of course, yung benefits din niya for our health. Glutathione, aside from it being pampaputi, as you guys know, it's an antioxidant and also, ibuboost niya yung immune system natin, which is very good, lalo na ngayong pandemic. And si collagen naman, good daw, guys, of course, not just for your skin, but also for your nails and for your hair. So, ayan, guys, hindi ako nagpapatreat ng hair ko, kundi conditioner lang. Let's talk about the ingredients. First, si Gluta Max. So, meron siyang glutathione, ascorbic acid, grape extract with resveratrol, acerola extract, camu-camu fruit extract, and patented algae extract with astaxanthin. Very familiar naman kayo, guys, siguro with these ingredients kasi yung iba dito probably nandun na rin sa mga previous gluta na tinake nyo. But naintriga ako kay resveratrol kasi kinailangan ko pa siyang i-google. Hindi ako familiar sa kanya and I found out that it actually acts as an antioxidant and it's even good for your brain and also for your joints. Si Collagen Max naman has of course fish collagen, again galing sa France. So galing siya sa karagatan ng France. Sodium ascorbate, blend of vegetable and fruit extract, and kiwi seed extract. So, ang nakalagay dito, guys, is 200 mg per tablet yung collagen. Dito naman kay Gluta Max, 400 mg na glutathione per tablet. And that's why I decided na rin to take 2 per day para 800 mg yung glutathione intake ko and para 400 mg yung collagen intake ko. Aside from these two, meron pa ba akong ibang iniinom? Yes, umiinom pa rin ako ng vitamin C even though they both have sodium ascorbate. Nagtitake pa rin ako ng 1000 mg na vitamin C to boost their effect kasi nga mayroong synergistic effect kapag nagtitake ka ng vitamin C. Ngayon naman, let's talk about the price. Kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo, mura, di ba? Si Gluta Max, for 2 bottles, it only costs 1,500 pesos. Actually, 1,498 yata. So, parang 750 lang siya per bottle. Imaginein mo kung 750 siya per bottle and patatagalin mo siya ng 2 months. So, meron ka ng glutathione sa halagang less than 400 pesos. Si Collagen Max naman, I think it's 1,200 pesos per 2 bottles din. Nasa 600 pesos lang siya each bottle. And meron ngang 90 tablets each bottle. So, pwede mo siyang patagalin for up to 3 months per bottle. Now it's time to talk about the results. But before that, I just want to quickly shout out si Jay Reyes. Ayan, nag-comment kasi siya doon sa previous ko na collagen review na vlog and meron siyang question. Sabi niya, "Hi ma'am, tanong lang po, ang collagen po ba ay hindi nakakasikmura inumin sa umaga nang walang laman ang sikmura?" To be honest, I think case to case siya. Yung iba, gusto nila siyang iniinom before meal, yung wala pang laman yung tiyan nila kasi they believe na mas na-absorb ng body yung kung anumang vitamins or supplements na tinitake mo nang wala pang laman yung tiyan mo. But ako, I diligently take itong mga to after meal. Kasi ako yung tao na madali akong sikmurain. Dahil alam ko na ganun ako, hindi ko tinitake itong mga to on an empty stomach. Ngayon, eto na nga, let's talk about the results. Well, first, I am very glad na hindi ako nagka-breakouts. Kung may makikita kayong iilan dito sa noo ko now, it's because malapit na ako magka-period. But on a regular day, wala, hindi ako nagpa-breakouts and palagi akong nakakatulog ng maaga, mahimbing yung tulog ko. For me, that's a really good thing kasi I'm a morning person and I really like being productive in the morning. So, kailangan ko talaga na nakakomplete ko yung tulog ko and maganda yung quality ng sleep ko. For my skin naman, well, hindi ko naman kasi tinatarget yung sobrang puti talaga, like paper white. I just want it to be glowing and I want na mabawasan yung mga fine lines, ganon. And for me, I like the effect. Satisfied naman ako, but siguro yung isang downside lang na na-experience ko while taking it is, I'm not sure kung kasalanan niya but ever since I started taking it parang lagi lang ako nauuhaw talaga. Even at night, ganon. Parang ang dry ng mouth ko. Gusto ko palaging umiinom. Aside from it, wala naman ako nakitang ibang side effects. And kung i-compare ko naman siya sa mga previous collagen and gluta na na-take ko, I would say guys na kahit mura siya, it is up to par naman yung effectivity niya or effectiveness niya. If you want to see my skin condition while I was taking these products, you guys could check out these 2 vlogs. Yung isa, uploaded siya ng April 30. Yung isa, uploaded siya ng last week lang. So, yan yung mga vlogs ko while I was taking Oswell Collagen and Glutamax. Will I recommend it to you guys? Will I take it again? Yes, definitely. So, overall, nagustuhan ko naman yung results. Siguro kung may request lang ako from their end is to come up with maybe a liquid version of their collagen and gluta para pampatigdag lang din. If you guys have any questions about Oswell, Glutamax, and Collagen Max or glutathione and collagen in general, please comment down below. I am not a pro. I am not a medical professional. I'm just telling you guys yung mga na-experience ko sa mga products na tinitake ko for 1 or 2 months and sinashare ko lang through my vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.